Are you always busy and forget things during the day? Let me show something really smart I built. This is a voice controlled to-do list app. You just speak your task and boom, yeah, it's added automatically. Not typing, just click here. This is a perfect for the people who don't have the time to stop and write. Like a doctor between the appointment, freelancer managing clients, business owner juggling the task, even the teachers or students during the busy task hours. So this is app built by using the Python and Streamlit and speech recognition. So if I want to add my task, go for the meeting. Now my task is added here. And if I have done my task, I click here. Now it show me that my tasks have been completed. So remember everything it's stored safely using the local database, and you can use your local database if you want to see your record. This help you stay focused, organized and save time, especially when you are got a million things going on. Let me check. Please check my application.